So second semester geology second semester paper, mineralogy and optical mineralogy. So we have discussed the physical properties of minerals in the last class. So how to identify the minerals? For example, color, form, speed, luster, cleavage, hardness, specific gravity, crystal system. All these are the physical properties. And next important concept is silicate structures. So silicates are the building blocks of the minerals. For example, we have to know about the internal arrangement of atoms, oxygen and silica. How the oxygens and silica are bonded. So, in this class, we will discuss about the silicate structures. So, we have nearly how many types of silicate structures? Six types. Meso, soro, cyclo, ino, hepto, philo. Six types. Okay. So out of that, we discussed nesosilicates and sorosilicates in the last class. Nesosilicates are nothing but the silicon and oxygen ratio is 1 is to 4. Next, sorosilicates, silicon and oxygen ratio is 2 is to 7. So, olivines are the examples for the nesosilicates. And hemimorphites are the example for the sorosilicates. And next one is important. Third type is so we will discuss once again sorosilicates. These sorosilicates are characterized by the linked pairs of SiO4 tetrahedra. Here you have to remember the silicon and oxygen is the ratio is 2 is to 7. That means two silicon atoms are sharing 7 oxygen atoms, bonding with the 7 oxygens. So example hemimorphite is an example. Zn4Si2O7. So Si2O7 means silica to oxygen 7. So another one, third type is the cyclosilicates. Cyclo means ring. Cyclo means what? Ring. So ring silicates. So cyclosilicates contains rings of linked SiO4 tetrahedra. So in this silicon oxygen ratio is 1 is to 3. One silica is sharing 3 oxygen atoms. One silica. So here the rings consist of these rings are showing mostly beryl and turmalin are the examples for the cyclosilicates. Ring silicates generally we call that as a ring silicates. So we can see cyclosilicates will form some strong minerals, beryl and turmalin. Here you can see the structure of cyclosilicate. Cyclo means ring. Okay, this is silica. So it is sharing the oxygen atom. So it is formed like a ring silicate structure. Cycle. Another fourth one is the iosilicate structure. Iosilicate structures means generally we will categorize it into two types: ino single chain and ino double chain. Ino means chain. Ino means chains silicates. So in this you can see single chain, double chain. In single chain, silicon oxygen ratio is 1 is to 3. In double chain, silicon oxygen ratio is 4 is to 11. So, single chain key examples and say double chain we have some examples. For example, single chain you will see asbestos and pyroxenes we will consider it as a single chain silicates. And double amiphones, all the amiphones we will consider in the double chain structure because so single chain and actually asbestos will form like a fibers. So that fibers are single chains. Amiphones we will see the double chains. So here you can see the structure. It is formed like a single chain. This is double chain. So here there is a line. Here two. So next we will discuss another important types, that is ino, cyclo, ino, techno, philo. We have completed 4 types and remaining 2 types we have, that we will look after the next class. So this is important concept. Remember and read.